Hey there, AK here. By the time you are watching this, POCO will already have launched this new device, and in today's video, I'll be unboxing it and giving you my first impressions while doing a short comparison with the POCO X3. Let's go. And there we go. Ooh, on the box it says that this color is called Phantom Black. Compared to the black version of the POCO X3, this one is giving off a bit of a purple tint. Ooh, it's really cool. I love this color. Oh, and look at that logo. Unlike the POCO X3, which on the back is totally glossy, this one, it's matte on the sides, while the center is glossy. In terms of weight, they are pretty comparable, I would say. Like the regular X3, the fingerprint sensor is on the side and it's really fast. And there we go. It's running MIUI 12 on top of Android 11. Oh, nice. One thing I'm realizing now is that while the displays are very similar on paper, the colors they produce are really different. It's a bit more cold on the regular POCO X3. Even when I change to standard, the blue tint can still be seen on this. The biggest difference between these two devices is definitely the processor inside. The regular S3 runs the Snapdragon 732, while the brand new POCO X3 Pro has the Snapdragon 860, which is a flagship processor. You can expect quite a bit of difference in performance here. I will be testing this device over the next few days, so stay tuned for my review. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and I will try to address them. See you!